Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the OnePlus 15. Okay, to do it we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Scroll a little bit until you find the chats. Scroll down again and click on chat backup. Okay, let's begin with Google account. Let's tap on that. And as you can see, in my case, currently this Google account is selected. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. If you want, of course, you can add another account. Okay, down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off. In my case, I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. That is pretty convenient and comfortable thing. If you want, you can pick between those modes on the screen. I'll stick to monthly. Also, let's include the videos in our backup, make sure that it's turned on. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. Basically, it's not necessary to turn it on, but if you want, in here, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future, in the moment when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. But just like I'm saying, it's an extra security feature and it's not necessary to turn it on. It is up to you. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space right in here. And now, to create a backup, hit this green button. The process has now started, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, as you take a look on the last backup, we can see the hour. It's the same, so that's a confirmation that everything went successfully and our backup has been created. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.